Hi guys, let's talk about what we're doing today. Today you're going to come here under 327 and basically you're going to start something new today called work calculations. I've got some notes right here, definitions and equation, and here's the worksheet. So the notes look like this, all right? Basically, we've done some calculations for you as well. So the formula for work is force time distance. So we're talking about work when you are lifting something, okay? When a delivery guy is delivering something from his truck using a ramp and taking it down, bringing it to your front door, he's doing some work, okay? And that's the work we're talking about. That work is measured in joules, distance measured in meters, and force is Newton. So when the delivery guy is taking stuff down from the ramp, walking it to your door, all right, he's applying some force in doing all that, and the distance that he's walking to your front door is what we are using here in the calculation. Here's some examples, and Mr. Rigdon is the one who did these examples, and I really appreciate it. The other thing is, if you are not given a force in the problem, all right, what you need to do is you need to take the gravity and multiply with the mass that's given to you. Okay, so don't forget that the force has to be given. Let's take a look at this example right here where it's not given right here. A painter lifted a 2.55 kilogram paint bucket up to his scaffold, and while doing so, he did 322 joules of work. How high was the scaffold? So you're looking for distance, but notice only kilogram is given. You're not given Newton. So we need to take this and multiply with 9.8, which we did right here, and you get your Newton. That's what you need to do when force is not given to you. Okay, when mass is given, multiply with gravity. Now, let's go back to the worksheet that you're doing. Here's the worksheet. You're going to turn this worksheet into the folder. Once again, I'm asking for 3-step method. So if I were you, I would draw the triangle right here with the workforce distance that we give you in the notes, and make sure you keep in mind if kilograms are given that you need to convert it into newtons. Okay, so let's see. So for example, number 8 right here, it's given kilograms. You need to convert it into newtons. 10 is another one. We give you a reminder. Wherever we give you a reminder, you need to be converting it into newtons. Okay. All right. The other thing, or the last thing that you're doing for me, is we haven't seen each other for 2 weeks. All right. And I miss seeing you guys. So what I did was I went ahead and uploaded something called Padlet. So basically, I'm asking you to upload something funny. When you click on it, it gives you the option to do that. Something funny you've been doing, or something you've been doing in your spare time, or something funny your siblings been doing. Okay, so here's mine. Let me show you how it looks like. When this box comes here, just click somewhere else and it'll work. This is from me. Okay, and this is about my dog Sheru when we were looking for her, and she was like laying on the couch and sleeping, taking a nap in the other room. Okay, and I don't allow her on the couch, so it's kind of funny that she defies me. So what you're gonna do is when you have to make yours, you're gonna come here and click on this plus sign. A box pops up, put your name here, and then you can write something, and you can upload an image or take an image. Something funny that's happening around you. All right. All right, guys, have a good weekend, and I will see you all Monday. Thank you for all your hard work. Okay. And thank you for turning your work in, and I'm grading it as you're turning it in. All right. I'll see you Monday. Have a good weekend.